Hi everyone! Welcome back to my Solamente Skin YouTube channel. My name is Nicole. I love all things skincare, hair care, makeup, and I want to talk about it. So if that sounds interesting to you, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below, or give this video a thumbs up. New videos every week. Today we are talking about our skin barrier, particularly how to replenish and repair our skin barrier once it's been compromised. It is currently January, which means it is time for my skin to struggle. So I thought, what better time to talk about products that can help replenish and strengthen your skin barrier, help save your dry skin than now. If you have clicked on this video because you have found yourself in a similar situation, I just want to say I'm sorry. I know what it feels like. It really sucks. It can really bring your self-esteem down when your skin is inflamed and red and irritated, and sometimes you just kind of want to hide away until you're able to fix it. Sometimes it's because of genetics, sometimes it's because of the dry, cold air, sometimes we kind of inflict it on ourselves with heavy exfoliants and retinoids. But I'm here to tell you, you're not alone and we're gonna get you through this. I have so much experience turning my skin around from a really bad place that I should probably put it on my resume. Because my skin is so dry, it can be highly reactive, and I have found quite a few products that can help just soothe everything, make your skin nice and glowy. All of these are sensitive skin friendly, no fragrance, nothing that will irritate your skin or break you out. A lot of these products are not going to be flashy or sexy in any way, but I promise they will help. If there are any products that have helped you that are not listed in this video, please let me know in the comments below. Let's get like a forum going so that we can help each other, you know, heal our skin together. And I know time is of the essence. So without further ado, here are the products that help repair my skin barrier every single time. Dumpling here didn't want to be in the intro of the video, but she's, I guess, making her appearance now. She's so cute. Right off the bat, I'm going to tell you, just get some Vanicream. Just get it. If you've watched some of my videos before, I've talked about Vanicream quite a bit, and that's because there's seriously nothing better. Sometimes really nice luxury creams are, you know, a treat to put on your face, and it might feel like because they're very expensive that they work better, but I'm telling you, you will not need them if you use Vanicream. Honestly, nothing besides La Mer and one other product on this list has performed better than Vanicream in my opinion, and it's drugstore. It's like $15. It will last you well over a year. I wear it every single night. Lately I've been wearing it during the day too. It's so simple that it's easy to look past. It doesn't look very exciting. It doesn't promise that you're going to look 10 years younger. It doesn't promise that your skin is going to firm up and magically tighten or anything, but it will do exactly what it promises, which is moisturize and help your skin heal. No gimmicks, no fragrance, nothing bad. Just do yourself a favor. Get Vanicream. You may also want to invest in something that has ceramides in it. For example, CeraVe. I have been using the Ilyun ceramide cream until my skin went off the deep end. CosRx also has a really nice ceramide spray. If you ever need a little bit of relief throughout the day, you can spray it on and it really helps. Next, you cannot go wrong with anything from the French skincare line Avène. It was created in France specifically for people with eczema, so every single product is very soothing and gentle, but very effective. The one that I like to reach for when my skin is freaking out is the Hydrance Rich Hydrating Cream. It's got 3 little water drops, which means I think very hydrating, but this felt really good to put on my skin when it was very bad. Just a word of caution, when you apply these, it's gonna kind of look like you've got a white mask on, but it will absorb, I promise. Just enjoy it, let it sit, let it soothe your skin. It will sink in. You can get it online. They sell this at Blue Mercury and Ulta, but I think now you can even get it at Walgreens. Yay! This next one is probably my favorite. I would use it all day, every day if it wasn't kind of expensive. But the Skin Fix, just want to get the name right. The Skin Fix Barrier Plus Triple Lipid Peptide Face Cream. Just looking at this image on my computer makes me want to buy it. I know earlier I said no gimmicks, nothing crazy. I'm not exaggerating. This might be magic, honestly. Immediate results. Relief in seconds. You heard it here first. It's $54, I know, but they have a mini size, 0.5 ounces for $20. So if you're really struggling right now and your skin is just so mad at you, try the mini size. I promise. I would not lie to you about this, okay? If your skin is really inflamed, I know what it feels like, and you just could really use some relief now, get the Skin Fix. There's so many beneficial ingredients in this moisturizer. Unfortunately, I kind of only get this when my skin is super pissed. God, imagine how good my skin would be if I used this all the time. Man, I feel like this one doesn't get the praise it deserves at all. So the revolution starts here. The next product is probably the best facial oil, in my opinion, on the market. It is the Indie Lee Squalane Facial Oil, and I actually cannot take credit for this one. My mom found this one. It is so simple, yet so effective. It wears very nicely on its own, but if my skin barrier needs some extra love, I like to put it on top of my moisturizer, my Vanicream at night to kind of seal it all in. That has been really the only way that I wake up in the morning without my face being an absolute desert. If you use it this way on top of a moisturizer, a little bit does go a long way, and it really helps give that extra oomph in terms of healing your skin. If you don't want to spend that kind of money, The Ordinary and Good Molecules also have really good facial oils for about $10. And they too are also very, very simple, effective, and fragrance-free. Okay, we're nearing the finish line here. This might be a short video, oopsies, but I only want to recommend things to you that I personally tried myself and can verify if it works or not, if it's worth your money or not. So, short list, but I promise everything's good. If you need a little assist from, I don't know what that was. Is that a basketball term? If you're looking for a serum that can kind of help take out some of the redness of your compromised skin barrier, I would highly, highly recommend the Dr. Jart Cicapair Tiger Grass Serum. Anything from the Cicapair line of Dr. Jart will do. A few years ago, I was suffering with a horrendous bout of perioral dermatitis. It's characterized by this really red rash around your mouth. It is like having a goatee of fire on your face at all times. I cannot stress how red and inflamed the lower half of my face was, to the point where I wouldn't leave my house at all. It was so itchy and painful. It hurt to laugh. It hurt to keep a straight face. It hurt when it was wet. It hurt when it was dry. It hurt when it was exposed to air. It hurt when I covered it up. It always hurt. If you've gotten this, you know how bad it is. So I went to Sephora and asked the lady, please help me. And she recommended this Dr. Jart Cicapair serum, and it was the only thing that made me feel a little better when I put it on. Everything else, it felt like fire putting anything on it, but this did provide some soothing comfort, and I will always have a special place in my heart for this product. So if you're dealing with really red, irritated skin and you're desperate for some of the redness to go down so you can leave your house without feeling embarrassed, buy this. This line also has some color correcting creams and drops. So they come out green, they kind of offset the redness while providing some of that Cicapair relief. It can be a real game changer if you're really suffering in silence and you just want to feel a little bit more like yourself. These are like a godsend. Wow. Okay. Also, apparently, according to their website, spotlight on tiger grass, aka sika. They call it tiger grass because tigers in the Asian wetlands have rolled in this herbal remedy for centuries to heal their wounds. Cats are so smart. I have learned that a lot of K-beauty products have sika in them. So if you don't want to spend 30 bucks on this serum, there are other K-beauty products that do have it. So there's options for you. But I definitely think that Dr. Jart knows what he or she or they are doing. If you're not that eager to run out and spend money on new products right now, there are a few little changes that I would suggest if you want to try and help repair your skin barrier through some little tweaks, or at least alleviate some of the dryness that you may be experiencing during this time of year. Switching to a non-foaming cleanser is probably one of the most simple yet effective changes that I've made to my skincare routine, and I'm probably never going back to foaming cleansers. They're so drying on my skin. So switching to a non-foaming cleanser, Paula's Choice has a good one. CeraVe is my go-to. It's pretty cheap, makes a huge difference. Hot showers can make dry skin a hell of a lot worse, unfortunately, so keep those to a minimum if you can help it. I wouldn't blame you if you can't. Simpler is often better. I'm a skincare junkie, okay? But when my skin barrier is not good, it is cleanse, moisturize, daytime, SPF. There's nothing worse than a compromised skin barrier on top of a sunburn. Just keep it simple, be patient. Take a break from exfoliating your retinoids or retinols. I know it's hard, but you'll heal a lot faster if you do. And very importantly, just try and go easy on yourself. This happens to the best of us. This happens to hot people all the time. Just because you have a compromised skin barrier and some itchy, irritated skin, it doesn't take away from your hotness, okay? This is temporary and you will get through it. So if you are dealing with a compromised skin barrier, I do hope that you give some of these products a try. They really helped me in my skin's darkest hour. If you have any recommendations for products that helped repair your skin barrier or gave you some comfort or relief when your skin was kind of freaking out, please let me know in the comments. Again, they could be a really helpful resource for anybody out there who is dealing with this. It could help me. As always, I would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next week. Goodbye!